The story of a giving tree. Once there was a tree, and it loved a little boy. And every day the boy would come and visit the tree and enjoy its company. He would climb up its trunk and swing from its branches and eat apples. And when he was tired, he would sleep in its shade. And the boy loved the tree very much, and the tree was happy. But time went by, and the boy grew older, and the tree was often alone. Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches and eat apples and play in my shade and be happy." "I am too big to climb and play," said the boy. "I want to buy things and have fun. I want some money." "I am sorry," said the tree, "but I have no money. I have only leaves and apples." "Take my apples, boy, and sell them in the city. Then you will have money and you will be happy." And so the boy climbed up the tree and gathered its apples and carried them away. And the tree was happy. But the boy stayed away for a long time, and the tree was sad. And then one day the boy came back, and the tree shook with joy. And it said, "Come, boy, climb up my trunk and swing from my branches and be happy." "I am too busy to climb trees," said the boy. "I want a house to keep me warm," he said. "I want a wife and I want children, and so I need a house. Can you give me a house?" "I have no house," said the tree. "The forest is my house, but you may cut off my branches and build a house. Then you will be happy." And so the boy cut off her branches and carried them away to build his house. And the tree was happy. But the boy stayed away for a long time. And when he came back, the tree was so happy it could hardly speak. "Come, boy," the tree whispered. "Come, boy, come. What can I do for you?" "I am too old to play," said the young man. "I am going on a business trip. I want a boat that will take me far away from here. Can you give me a boat?" "All I have left is a trunk. Cut down my trunk and make a boat," said the tree. "Then you can sail away and be happy." And so the young man cut down its trunk and made a boat and sailed away. And the tree was happy, but not really. And after a long time, the young man came back again. Now he was an old man, but the tree recognized him. "I am sorry, friend," said the tree, "but I have nothing left to give you. My apples are gone." "My teeth are too weak for the apples," said the old man. "My branches are gone," said the tree. "You cannot swing on them." "I am too old to swing on branches," said the old man. "My trunk is gone," said the tree. "You cannot climb." "I am too tired to climb," said the old man. "I am sorry," said the tree. "I wish that I could give you something, but I have nothing left. I am just an old stump. I am sorry, friend." "Dear tree, you have always given, but I don't need very much now," said the old man. "Just a quiet place to sit and rest. I am very tired." "Well, an old stump is good for sitting and resting. Come, friend, sit down. Sit down and rest." And the old man did, and the tree was still happy.